Hello family. So today we are on the streets of New Kingston.
Right.
And with me, is my friend and family in the Lord, Sister Rutherford. So what are you doing today, Sister Rutherford?
I am doing very well. I am blessed and highly favored.
Yes, we are blessed and highly favored.
Yes.
So we are on the streets. I gave to this house already. Because I gave, yes.
Okay.
So we are giving out trucks, family. This is what? The mark of the beast.
And this
so
is
you can see
here.
it. Okay, which one
God
you want to
last day message for mercy.
So we just walk, give persons on the road, give them a word of encouragement, and we also put in persons letterbox.
Right.
Right. So it has been a good, day so far.
Yes.
The sun is hot, but we are on our hats.
And we are enjoying it.
yes. We're enjoying it.
Yes, we're enjoying it.
And all right, my brother, that's our friend over there. All right.
Yeah.
Yes, this is a nice home. So just put it between, but if you can't find anywhere to put it between, so put a mark of the beast. And the sun is hot. Or you put a mark of the beast on the maybe you can put it up here, so up on the
inside.
Yeah, up here, because there is no letterbox here, so.
I don't want you to.
Yeah, man, just push it in. Yeah.
Right. Good.
Yeah. So they will see it.
Look at the gate.
Yeah, they have another gate, but it doesn't have anything really there. So. Yes, family. So that's how we normally do it. Whenever I find the time and I have the time, we.
The box there,
Where?
It is right here.
They will still see that up there, so.
Okay.
I hope they will still see it. Lord will lead them to it, man.
Of course.
Yes, so we take pleasure when we have the time to come and to share the word. Leave a track or encourage somebody on the street. And this one now has a letterbox. So she's gonna put the mark of the beast in the letterbox.
Pardon?
Alright, so we just leave you a gift in the box.
Leave your gifts there.
God bless you. Take care.
Have a good day. Joke.
So we just left one in the box and the man says that he's okay. But that's how it is, That's how it is. When you have it all, you think that you are okay and in need of nothing. But we know, should we go straight down or should we turn here, so? We plan that we're going to go straight down.
Oh, yes.
Right.
We're
Look.
We are going off track.
If anything, right, because we're going all over the place. So this one has a letterbox in it. So we normally just put it in the put the mark of the beast. We just normally put the shops in the letterbox. Normally we say dogs. Big dogs and those kind of things. Yes, but down this side don't really have a lot of dogs.
Down here it's a little quiet when you come to the dogs.
Right, down here it's a little quieter and thing. But I mean, the work of the Lord comes with blessing, and it's good for us to take the time out of our busy schedule to
do his work.
To do his work, but you have to look at the place. This place look like it not occupied, You have to look good. No, don't put anything in there. The vehicle don't have any license plate or anything.
While we
because I didn't come early.
No, you didn't come early. So we decided to go in.
Yeah.
Get all the material what we are to collect from us.
That's the trucks.
The trucks. So while I think it was Sister Bonnet was.
Burnett.
Sister Burnett. She was first. So after I come in, and Sister Johnson behind. But I was quite observant that the man, this man who I saw standing there was talking to himself, come up behind her. So when him come in, I was a little bit tense. I said, what? And him sit down. So I looking at him. So while I'm looking at him, not looking at him, I saw I'm looking at him.
Yeah.
I am giving the side, kind of
Yeah.
So I'm looking at the receptionist across there. But as she finished and with one person on the line, she go to another call. But I keep my eye focused now on she, you know.
To let her know that something is wrong.
Yes, giving her the eye contact. But she not looking up. And she not looking up. So the spirit said, get up. So I get up and go to the desk. And I'm looking at her, not speaking, looking at her. And when I looking now, she realized I'm moving my eye
See a
to the right.
Here. See a letterbox there.
To the right.
Put a mark at the B.
So here I know. She picking up now, you know, she picking up.
She picking up that something is happening.
Picking up something right. The man said, I know she come up there, she's talking to you. And what did she say? And I talk now with authority, you know. And what did she say?
What they say is a sick person?
Yes, in a full white.
Oh, in a full white.
Yes,
the enemy. You know, see the enemy.
And he has his
Jeez. Satan.
Because
as you're coming
up, I went and box you up.
The man tell you that?
He said, box me. So, same
Wow,
time,
you hear that family?
Same time, the receptionist come out from the side and said, please to get out. And then his baby, you know, like him, he have all the authority.
Yeah.
So I said, box me. So the young lady opened and turned around and said, look at her and look at me. Yes, she was speaking to you. What did she say to you? What did she say to you? I said to you, I go and box this. I said, box me? And turn around to her. And I said, get out.
You said that to him?
Yes, I said, get out.
You see enemy. Just to show you that when you come on the Lord's mission. The dog here. Hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
How
put
you
your hand there.
today?
No, I'm a big German Shepherd.
How are you today?
Hi.
Hi.
So today we meet with two lovely dogs.
How are you?
Don't put your hand in there. Come.
Okay. What?
Don't put your hand in there.
You give me the map. Give me your team. I
Put it far away. Oh, see it at the top. The top.
God give us authority over you.
German.
God give us authority over you. All right.
Don't put it. Watch it now. Don't put your hand in there. No.
Okay.
So don't put your hand in there.
Yes. You looking lovely, just like Timmy. So tall.
Whenever we come out, you know,
Yes.
to share, we
Nice
always
to
meet
see you.
these dogs.
Nice to see you today.
And she said we don't mean anything. So they just gone back to lie down.
Oh, these are no threat to us.
No.
These are no threat. Bye.
You put it in the letterbox. Alright, take good care. Take care. We're gone again.
Sis, so when we come out, I don't see whether I'm going to hop or don't. Just disappear.
Who that?
The madman. But the way how he was dressed.
Just show you that something was wrong.
Something wrong. And his clothes was not so clean, but proper clothes. Proper clothes. But
the enemy.
The way how he was acting,
the enemy.
It doesn't fully gone.
Oh, not gone fully yet.
No, he doesn't fully gone. And he's a big man, you know. And then you can see where that whatever family he connect to, he speaks quite well too.
Oh. I'm gonna put this one in this letterbox here. So.
The enemy, the man, and in such a bad way. And he has on a good slippers, but you can see that he's on the road for a while. It's the pants not so clean. And
They're on the mission, man, the enemy. The enemy is a liar.
But what I noticed, he knows he's a loser enough, but he's very persistent. Very persistent. And this is all
I'm not gonna,
him don't let up. And we are not supposed to be letting
to discourage.
up. We are not supposed to be letting up at all.
This is nice.
Yes.
Maybe you see any letterbox? See anything? Hello? Somebody inside, you can't hear it.
Hello? Morning?
Afternoon. Call them.
Hello?
Call them, man. Right there, so. Want more of these?
Yes. You must open the gate. See that going on.
No, the letterbox is here, so.
No, this one.
Oh, okay. Put it in this one. I pray that you will read this and the Lord will bless, sanctify, cover the wreck. I'm going to put a book in there. I'm going to put a book in this one as well. That says National Sunday Law. So that I pray that you will read it in Jesus' name. Uh-oh. It fall out. Yeah.
The bottom.
No, make it stay. Still go in there. Come. Come.
Oh, the lock inside.
Come.
Oh, the other 2-foot ones are inside looking through
And
the
the one there right there, so. You want the mark of the beast?
Yes, thank you.
You're very nice. And then they put this one, the hope in it. Take time and it drop out too. Yes, family, so we are basically finished now, but it was a good experience.
Well, it was a wonderful morning.
Yeah, go ahead,
and
sister.
The experience was quite interesting because, of course, those who we are coming in contact with, we was speaking to, they was well receptive.
Yeah, yes. Some were receptive.
Exactly.
This lady that we met around there, so I mean, lady up in age, big lady enough to know that, you know, she can't just live like that.
She was very defensive.
Yeah.
And she said she don't have no time to read.
Yeah. Lady said don't give her it because she don't want it.
She don't want it.
Yeah.
And she don't have no time for that.
Yes. Yes. Imagine. Imagine. That's how persons are.
Yeah, but
you know,
we have to remember.
Especially when you expect better, because you expect an old enough person to know. A young person now, you have some young persons and then they never receive us.
Right. But we can understand where that is concerned. Because listen, when they are young and they are not really have that kind of experience, we can't expect something from them what they don't have.
Even though they can still choose, don't they?
They have a choice. They have a choice. They have a choice.
Yeah.
But what I learned and keep me when they behave that way, in the Lord said there are times coming, and I think it is here. There will be really a famine, but not for the physical, for the spiritual, and it's really moving in that direction now.
But it was a good day overall, and we thank God for the experiences that we had today, and for those who receive us, because a lot of persons will receive us. A while ago we prayed for a man, you know, he was trying to work on some. I think it looks like technician. Yes, yeah.
He's doing on the cable.
And he refused us really, but but our sister Rutherford, boy, she's a good person to work with, man. I get a lot of joke, but we pray for him, and it was very good.
And it was very good. And then he said that we are to keep out of the sun, be careful of the sun. So
he was looking out for us after that. But it was a good thing. So family, you know, just wanted to share that with you today and encourage you as well to do your part. Take the time out to do something, you know, for the Lord. All right? So God bless you guys and take care and be safe.
Bless you too.
All right.